Hello and welcome to my channel Civil Gossips. Today we will be discussing about 20 important MCQ from economics, and that if you study really well and know the concepts, you can score really high in economics. So here we go. First of the 20 most important MCQ on economics. First question: which of the following has the function recommending minimum support price for various commodities to government? Option number A, National Farmers Commission. Option B, Agriculture Cost and Price Commission, Central Statistical Organization, and D, Department of Agriculture. Here the answer is B, Agriculture Cost and Price Commission. Please tell me the establishment year of Agriculture Cost and Price Commission in the comment section. If you know, please let me know in the comment section. We will move to the second question. Second question is interracial hybridization program between Japonica and Indica varieties of which among the following crops was initiated during 1950 to 1954. You know that when India got independence, they wanted to become self-sufficient, so they wanted to increase production, agricultural production, food products, so they do not have to import from the neighboring countries. So they boost up the production of agricultural products, and hybridization program between Japonica and Indica varieties was done with rice. So the answer is B, rice. Question number 3, Datta committee was related to which one of the following? Datta committee. Okay, option number A, industrial licensing, B, tax reform, C, PSU, public sector units investment, and D, cash credit system. So as you know, in 1967 that committee was comprised to look into the matter of industrial licensing, which started in 1951. India started licensing or giving license to various industries, and after that in 1967 that committee was formed to look into the industrial licensing program. Question number 4, the GST Council has decided to four-tier structure of taxation to cover most goods and services. Which one of the following is the correct group of these four tiers? So as you know, well, at first I will go through the options. Option number A, 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, B 5, 12, 18 and 12%, C 5, 12, 18 and 28%, D 5, 13, 18 and 32%. So when GST was implemented for the first time, government has four tier of taxation, and all the goods were categorized in a way that those four tiers of tax was implemented on the goods, and those four tiers were 5%, 12%, 18% and 32%, 28%. So the answer here is C. 5, 12, 18, 22%. We will move to the fifth question. From July 1st 2017, the nationwide GST has been rolled out in India, making the country a single market. What is the current size of Indian economy? So this question is a bit old. I will tell you the current data, which makes India a 3 trillion economy. 3 trillion. Please remember that India is now a 3 trillion economy, approximately 3.002 trillion economy. So the answer is C, 3 trillion. Since the question has asked the current size of the economy, so I have given you the current data, which is 3 trillion economy, and India is moving fast towards 4 trillion, and India has a vision of reaching 5 trillion economy in a year, which might not be possible because of the corona crisis. Question number 6: on which of the following rates Reserve Bank of India provides loan to scheduled commercial banks? Option number A, repo rate. Option number B, reserve repo rate. Option C, credit rate. Option D, bank rate. Here the answer is D, bank rate. RBI provides a loan to the scheduled commercial banks on bank rate. And if you know, please tell me the establishment day of RBI or year, or the commission which recommended the establishment of RBI. That I will tell you. Hilton Young Commission, which recommended the establishment of RBI. That was in the year. You will have to tell me the year. I will not tell you the year. Okay, next question. Question number 7: on which of the following dates was National Development Council was set up? National Development Council. Okay, A, 9th August 1960, 6th August 1952, 29th August 1960, 15th September 1958. So you know that. I will give you a hint. The hint is that National Development Council was established in the first 5-year plan. So can you guess? Yes, you have guessed right. It is B. Question number 7. The answer is B, 6th August 1952, when NDC was formed under the chairmanship of Prime Minister to look into the planning and how India is doing, how planning is going, and to give final clearance to the planning commission, which was constituted in 1950. So question number 8: agriculture, irrigation and power projects were given highest priority in which among the following plans? Earlier in a MCQ I have told you that agriculture self-sufficiency and agricultural production increase was the goal of the independent India. The first Prime Minister of our nation, Jawaharlal Nehru, emphasized that we need to be self-sufficient. So from that hint, you know that first 5-year plan was the plan which gave most importance to the agriculture sector. Can you tell me which sector got utmost importance in the second 5-year plan? Second 5-year plan gave emphasis to which sector or which category? So you can tell me the answer in the comment section. Question number 9: which of the following scheme was launched under the slogan Garibi Hatao? Garibi Hatao slogan was launched under which scheme? Options are Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, 20 points program, Bharat Nirman, and NREGA, National Rural Employment Generation Act. Sorry, this is the full form. The answer is 20 point program, which was launched in 1975 in fifth 5-year plan, which is the 5-year plan in which Garibi Hatao was launched. The slogan was launched, and DP Dhar was the architect. Okay, and Bharat Nirman was another one which was launched in 2005-6. Jawahar Rozgar Yojana was in 1989. So these are the multiple choice questions you need to remember. Next question: which of the following is related to land development? Options are NABARD, SEBI, NCDC, and SARTB, Rural Development Bank. So Rural Development Bank is the bank. Agricultural Rural Development Bank is the bank related to land development. Answer is D. And as you know, NABARD is related to agriculture financing. NABARD. So remember that NABARD is related to agriculture. SEBI is related to money market. Question number 11. To avail the benefits under the Mohila Samriddhi Yojana, a woman has to open an account. Which of the following options are rural cooperative bank, rural post office, commercial bank and private bank? Here the answer is A. Option number A, that is rural cooperative bank. 12. Question number 12. Which state is famous for Lavi Fair? A. Gujarat, B. Punjab, C. Odisha, D. Himachal Pradesh. Lavi Fair is a festival of Himachal Pradesh. It is celebrated to acknowledge their 400-year long barter trade or barter economic trade with Tibet. So the answer is Himachal Pradesh, which is famous for Lavi Fair. Question number 13. Which of the following scheme is for prevention of trafficking and rescue, rehabilitation and reintegration of victims of trafficking and commercial sexual exploitation? Options are Shavalamban, B. Ujjwala, C. Sahayogini and D. Swadhar. Answer is B. Ujjwala, launched in 2007, deals with reintegration of the sexually exploited women. So remember that this is a very important MCQ. Which among the following is not correctly matched? Sorry, this question has not been completed, but I will tell you the answer. Planned Economy for India, you know that, a book by M. Visvesvaraya in 1934. Yes. Gandhian Plan by Sridham Narayan in 1944. That is also correct. Sarvodaya Plan, Jayaprakash Narayan in 1950. That is also correct. And there is another plan 1945 by M.N. Roy, that is called People's Plan. And another plan you might want to remember because it is very important from your exam point of view, that is 1944 Bombay Plan, which was given by 8 prominent industrialists of that time. So remember that also. Question number 15. In which of the 5-year plan in India the concept of financial inclusion was included for the first time? Financial inclusion, that is a very important concept for the Indian economy. Options are A. 8th 5-year plan, B. 9th 5-year plan, C. 10th 5-year plan, D. 11th 5-year plan. Here the answer is between 2005 to 6 financial inclusion was implemented. So if I give you that year, you will know that which 5-year plan is your answer. From 2005 to 2006 was financial inclusion was included, so that was in the 10th 5-year plan. You need to remember every 5-year plan with the year and the growth rate. 16. Question number 16. What is DONER? Donor. What is donor? The donor is a very important ministry. Full form of that ministry is development of, DO for development of, NE for northeastern, R for region, that is the Ministry of Government of India. Option number A is the correct answer. Question number 17. In which year Board for Reconstruction of Public Sector Enterprise was constructed or constituted? So in December 2006, a board was constructed to revitalize the public sector enterprise and to give plans, formulas and various ideas and advice to the government to revitalize the public sector. That was done in 2006. Question number 18. We might proceed to that. In which year industrial licensing was introduced in India? I have earlier told you in MCQ that the government of India introduced licensing in 1951 with the act. that is Industrial Regulation Act, Industrial Regulation Regulation and Development Act of 1951. That is a very important act. Next, question number 19. JVP, that is a very important committee which was constituted in 1948-1949, was related to which of the following? Industrialization of India, formation of new states on linguistic basis, C. National language of India, and D. Reservation of SC/ST. So I will tell you, before I tell you the answer, I will tell you what JVP stands for. J for Jawaharlal Nehru, J for Jawaharlal Nehru, V for Vallabhbhai Patel, and P for Pattavi Sitaramaiah. Okay, so they constituted a committee in 1948-49 because there was a protest in India after independence to create or to form new states on the linguistic basis. You know that 1953 a linguistic commission was organized. 1956 Andhra Pradesh was created, first state on the linguistic basis. So that JVP committee was constituted to look into the matter of formation of new states on linguistic basis. But I must tell you that, for your information, that JVP committee did not recommend formation of new states on linguistic basis. But I want you to find which committee recommended formation of new states on linguistic basis in 1953 and recommended the formation of a linguistic commission of India in 1953. Please comment the answer in the comment section and please get the answer, because that is very important from your exam point of view. Next, RVS Raghavan committee 2002 is related to which of the following? PSU, PDS, Public Distribution System, Competition Act, okay, ACT, Competition Act, and Disinvestment Policy. You know MRTP policy, MRTP policy, which was disbanded in 2002, and new act, Companies Act, Companies Competition Act, was implemented by the government. That was done in 2002 under RVS Raghavan committee. So answer is question number C. You will also have to find out another answer to a question which I will give you now. MRTP Act, which was replaced by Companies Act. So you will have to tell me in which year MRTP Act was enacted by the Parliament. So here we have covered 20 important MCQ from economics, and I think these are the questions which come repeatedly in every examination. You will find, if there is one question from economics, then you will find questions related to these topics: planning, agriculture, industry, and banking. This is the core of economics, and I will give you more and more MCQ on those topics: agriculture, industry, planning, and schemes. So please subscribe to our channel and join our Facebook page, Instagram handle, where I post MCQ on daily basis which you can practice, and please like and share the video. Ask your friends the questions that you have learnt in this video, and till the next video comes, bye.